Today, we're diving into something truly shocking, something that could change the way you think about investing forever. Imagine waking up one day and finding out that everything you thought you knew about the stock market was a lie. Sounds crazy, right? Well, brace yourselves, because today we're uncovering the truth about how the rich really get richer, and it has nothing to do with what you've been told. You've heard about insider trading, market manipulation, and high-frequency trading. But what if I told you there's an even deeper, darker secret that the financial elite don't want you to know? Something that makes those practices look like child's play. We're talking about shadow banking. Shadow banking is a term you might have heard before, but its true scale and impact are hidden from the public eye. It's a parallel financial system where trillions of dollars move without any regulation. These are off-the-books transactions, made by secretive hedge funds and private equity firms, using complex financial instruments that the average investor can't even begin to understand. So, what exactly happens in the shadow banking system? Picture this: your retirement fund, your savings, all tied up in investments that are being manipulated behind closed doors. These entities can lend money, create credit, and even take deposits without any of the rules that traditional banks have to follow. Since the 2008 financial crisis, the shadow banking sector has grown at an alarming rate. In fact, it's estimated that the shadow banking system is now larger than the traditional banking system itself. And the consequences? Devastating. This unregulated system was a significant factor in the 2008 crash, and it's poised to trigger the next financial meltdown. But why isn't this front-page news? Why are governments cracking down? The truth is, there's too much money and too many powerful people involved. Politicians, CEOs, and even regulators have a vested interest in keeping the shadow banking system alive and thriving. And here's the kicker: if you're not already part of the ultra-wealthy elite, you're the one at risk. When the next crash comes, it's your investments, your savings, your future that's on the line. The rich will get their golden parachutes, while the rest of us are left picking up the pieces. So, what can you do about it? Educate yourself. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially in a system that could collapse at any moment. If you found this video shocking and informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay smart, stay safe.